Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths Explorer. In this video, I'm going to solve and find the value of this amazing square root math problem. That is whole square root of 2 raised to power 6 raised to power 2 raised to power 1 raised to power 4 raised to power 4. So how can we solve this square root problem like this, having number in this form, having one base and 5 powers? So there are some specific rules to solve square root problem like this. Now the rules are that if we have a square root problem in this form, a raised to power b raised to power c raised to power d raised to power e and so on. So here we will solve the powers from top to bottom. So we will solve this power from top to bottom. So first we will solve the power d raised to power e, then c raised to power that power, then b raised to power that power, and in this way we will come down. So here we will use these specific rules inside this number, inside this square root number to solve this number. So first of all, we will try to find out the value of this power, 4 raised to power 4. That what is the value of 4 raised to power 4? So we will find out this value here. So 4 raised to power 4 means we have to multiply this base for 4 times. So 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. So this is 64 times 4 is 4 times 4 is 16. So 6 1 is carried. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. So it is 256. So the value of 4 raised to power 4 is 256. So here we will replace this power 4 raised to power 4 with 256. So this will become is equal to, it will become whole square root of 2 raised to power 6 raised to power 2 raised to power 1 raised to power 256. Now we will try to solve this power 1 raised to power 256. Now what is the value of 1 raised to power 256? So the value of this number is always 1. This is because if we take here any power which is smaller or bigger, maybe hundreds in thousands, millions and billions, so that is always equal to 1, because multiplying 1 any number of times, it always gives him 1. So therefore the value of 1 raised to power 256 is 1. So we will replace this power 1 raised to power 256 with 1. So this will become is equal to square root of 2 raised to power 6 raised to power 2, and this is 1. Now here we will solve this power 2 raised to power 1. So 2 raised to power 1 is simply 2. So we will replace this with 2. So further it will become is equal to square root of 2 raised to power 6 raised to power 2. Now here in this step we will find out this power 6 raised to power 2. 6 raised to power 2 is simply 6 times 6, which is 36. So here we will replace 6 square with 36. So this will become is equal to whole square root of 2 raised to power 36. Now here in this step we will use a radical result, a radical property. So here in this step we will use this radical property. We can write radical of any number a in exponential form as a raised to power 1 over 2 or half. This is radical form of any number. This is exponential form of that number. So here we will change this radical to its exponential form, having 1 over 2 in the power. So this number will become is equal to, this will become 2 raised to power 36 whole raised to power 1 by 2. What we'll do here in this one step we will use an exponential result, exponential identity. So we will use this exponential identity here, a raised to power m whole raised to power n, which can also be written as a raised to power m times n, multiply the powers. So using this exponential identity here, this number will become is equal to, this will become 2 raised to power, you multiply the power, so this will become 36 times 1 by 2. So here we will simplify these two powers. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 18 is 36. So this will become 2 raised to power 18. Now we can further write this 2 raised to power 18 as 18 can be written as 9 times 2, which is 18. Now here in this one number, again we will use this one exponential identity, and we will change this number from this one form to this form. So therefore we can write this number as 2 raised to power 9 whole raised to power 2. And we will try to find out the value of 2 raised to power 9. That what is the value of 2 raised to power 9? So therefore we can write 2 raised to power 9 as, here it means that we have to multiply 2 9 times. So let's try it. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32, 32 times 2 is 64, 64 times 2 is 128, 128 times 2 is 256, 256 times 2 is 512. So let's count the 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So multiplying 2 9 times it gives us 512. So here we will replace this number 2 raised to power 9 with 512. So this will become is equal to, this will become 512 whole square. Now we can find this square using two different methods. One is to multiply this number 2 times because there is square, and the second method is to use an identity here, positive algebraic identity. So here we will solve this number by using a positive algebraic identity. So therefore we can write this 512 as the sum of 500 plus 12 whole square. Now here we will use an algebraic identity, a plus b whole square identity. So we will use this one identity here. We can write a plus b whole square as a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. Now using this algebraic identity here, a is 500 and b is 12. So this number will become is equal to, this will become a square, no, a is 500 square plus b square, b is 12 square plus 2 times ab. Now 2a is 500 times b is 12. Let's simplify this right hand side. So this will become, what is the value of 500 square? 5 square is 25, and there are 2 zeros. These will become double, so there will be 4 zeros. This will become 250,000. 12 square is 144 plus 2 times 500 is 1000, and 12 times 1000 is 12,000. So this will become 12,000. Now finally we will add these three numbers, so that will be our final answer. Now to add these three numbers, we will start from the ones position. So 0 plus 4 is 4, 4 plus 0 is 4, 0 plus 4 is again 4, 4 plus 0 is 4, 0 plus 1 plus 0 is 1, comma, 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 plus 5 is 6, and 2. So the addition of these numbers gives him 262,144. So finally 262,144 is our final answer, and value of this amazing square root and radical math problem. Now in last, if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for such a more interesting and step-by-step math videos. Thanks for watching.